Well, I got here another air duster and vacuum cleaner combo kit. This is a 4-in-1. We're going to get into why it's called a 4-in-1, but this was sent to me by MECO, and they want me to do an honest review on it, so that's what we're going to do. One of the cool things about this is it does come with actually two HEPA filters, and they are washable, so you can actually reuse them, which is pretty cool. If you want to go ahead and check out the specs on that, there they are. And the model of this is an MECR1. In case you're interested in picking up one, the link will be down below. But let's get on to the review of this. Let's get this thing open, check this thing out. What does it come with? And maybe a little demonstration. So stay right there. All right, so let's see what comes in the box here. Looks like we get a user's manual and how to connect everything in there. The charge time on this is 2 hours, and it looks like it has a 2000 milliamp hour battery times 3 pieces, so 3 batteries in it. Here is one of the HEPA filters. There's going to be some of your cone, suction, or vacuum, or air duster extensions or accessories. This one is part of the 4-in-1. This would be probably to inflate something. You can stick that in something and inflate it. Here is a brush for the vacuum. You can either have the bristles or no bristles. And this comes with a brush. Comes with a larger brush, a much smaller brush for finer detailing. We have some sort of a, this must be for removing some piece of it. We'll have to figure out what that's for. And it comes with a pair of tweezers. We have another bristle end accessory there. We have our cone accessory. Our USB charging cable. It comes with this polyester bag for travel and just to keep all of your, all of your accessories in one place. So that's kind of nice. First impression, it looks kind of nice. Quality, obviously this is all plastic, nice and see-through, so you can see what you collect with any of your dirt debris. You can see there's a HEPA filter already installed in there. You have a little flapper valve in here for creating suction. Now, the front of this is going to be your vacuum. The back here is going to be where you attach different attachments like this. This would be your air duster, where it's going to come out. The air is going to come out of this way. But I believe what they recommend is you don't want anything in here if you're using the vacuum, and you don't want this piece on if you're using the air duster. So you would, I'm assuming, twist, remove that, then hook up one of these pieces up front here, and twist. I thought that twist on, but it's not twisting on. Let's see, what am I doing wrong? There we go. I was twisting the wrong way. Got to twist to the left. And we just have some tape back here to protect the button. We have a button up here and a button back here and your charging port. So I want to just get this tape off. Just give me a second. All right, let's go ahead and put this vacuum cover back on. And I'm assuming, and just guessing without looking at anything, this button may be for the vacuum portion. So we're going to, I guess, put this. Looks like it's just a snug fit for the vacuum. Okay, that's your on and off. And you do have air coming out back here right now. But this is, you can see the flapper valve in there is open, and when I do this, it wants to suck up stuff. This button back here It does look like it's about 3/4 of the way charged. There's 4 LEDs. This button back here must go through the speeds. There, that's second. That's your third. So, to give you an idea, this goes through the 3 speeds that it does have. You have 60,000 RPM on speed 1, gear 1. Gear 2 is 80,000. Gear 3 is 110,000. So, just an FYI. All right, just to give you an idea what this thing can do, I just put down some oregano as a spice because I didn't have any dirt to just put down there. So we're gonna turn this thing on low, and you can already see I'm not even coming close to it, and it's picking it right up. So if we turn it on the high setting, yeah, look at that. All right, and you can clearly see that all the debris was caught inside of this. And to take this apart, again, we're gonna twist, set that down, and this part in here, yep, looks like it just twists once, and now you have all your collectings in there. Now let's say we want to use the blower side of it, or the dust blower. Put that in like that. Take this side off so you no longer have this piece on, and we can turn it on. Whoop. Gotta turn it on from this side. And you can see it blowing on my hand. Oh, see, it just blew it all away. So just an FYI, this filter in here just pulls out. There is no locking mechanisms on there. It just fits in there, friction fit, that is it. So when you get it in there, just like so, that's about it. There's nothing else to do. So there you go. There is the MECO 4-in-1. And I gotta say, it's actually pretty nice. It feels great in the hand, and it's got plenty of power. And to get back to it, the 4-in-1 and what that means, like this would be for like they call it the swimming ring adapter. So basically you can put this in like tubes and stuff like that for swimming tubes, and that will pump them up. Again, you would put that on this side to pump them up. And for this, they are considering either this or one of these, the bigger ones, for like an exhaust for like your bed air mattress. So if you had an air mattress for like camping or something you had to set up quick like that, you can actually put this on and exhaust it or even pump it up, I would say. So that's kind of why they're calling it 4-in-1. So this is another thing I wanted to show you. It is the charging. I have my portable power pack here, and what we're going to do is just insert the Type-C USB into this, and now we can see it charge away. It has 4 LED indicators on it, indicating 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And it can take up to 2 hours to charge, depending on how much it's depleted. All right, well, I'm going to wrap this thing up, but again, I would just want to mention there is going to be a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out. And this would also make a great gift. Right now, by the way, they are on sale at 50% off with an additional 10% coupon. So that's 60% off total of this thing. And that's just the time that I'm making this video. When it gets published, it may differ, but anyway, great little unit. I can't wait to really start using this one. So go ahead and check this out. And until next time, guys, take care.